akan required the O2. This is konsep macam waterlogging tadi. Kita kena ada sedikit stream of water lah. Kalau dia tak ada stream of water, dia akan static. What happen adalah there's a lot. Saya cakap tadi, pokok tu satu, nutrient content dekat soil kat dalam tu akan berkurangan, ataupun dia akan cause other things such as for example dekat situ dia ada fungus ataupun ada bakteria. Some of them are beneficial, some of them are not lah. So what happen bila tak ada O2, soluble O2 dekat dalam, what happen? Alright, so increase of the death of the bacteria community di dalam condition tu. Alright, increase of the death of community of the bacteria inside the rhizosphere. And what happen adalah decaying ataupun denitrification bacteria ataupun decaying bacteria yang ada dekat bawah tu, dia akan undergo anaerobic punya condition. Dia akan degrade kan all over the dead punya microorganism. What happen? Nitrate akan increase kat situ. So when nitrate akan increase, dia akan further damage to all the environment. Contohnya plant yang ada dekat situ. Alright, so this is the thing. Sebenarnya awak tengok not just one side of the plant ni, kita tengok on the other condition yang akan di-triggered by the situation. Alright, so nutrition disorder, absorption become low, soil NPK, calcium loss, but sulfur, ferrum, manganese akan increase. Dia akan ada microelements punya poisoning. Alright, so IAA, auxin, alright, cytokinin akan reduce, alright. So the synthesis of the root and release of the ETH in shoots akan rendah. Alright, mechanical damage and infection by harmful organism juga. So bila dia dah injured, so bila dah pokok dah injured due to the surrounding environment tak cohesive for them, alright. So easily being attacked ataupun being damaged by other pests lah. Alright. So temperature ni pula, this is quite interesting. Alright, temperature tadi kita cerita pasal heat. How about kita cerita pasal temperature rendah. Alright, so chilling temperature, when the plant grows at relatively warm temperature, 23 ke 35, and suddenly being cool to 10 to 15 Celsius. This is called the chilling punya injury. But freezing pula is when the temperature are being put under below temperature, below freezing temperature, which is the below zero lah. Right, so this is frosting ni lagi severe compared to chilling. Chilling ni sometimes dia ada damage dekat cell but they can be survive. But frosting ni kadang-kadang dia ada cost damage is too high for them. Alright, so dia akan freeze kan cytoplasm dekat dalam. So sometimes organelles yang ada dalam sel pun akan damage. So when this organelle damage, the function of the cell is will become sedikit affected. Not sedikit affected, they will become severely affected lah. Alright, so this is for plant yang tak biasa dengan keadaan freezing lah. But if you go to certain areas, alright, I studied in Hokkaido, Japan. Alright, this is north area, alright. So memang north area ni normally the peak of the winter punya season is around -15, -20 pun ada, alright. So normal condition kalau nak jalan tu jalan -2, -5 for example, alright. So this is where I observe them myself lah sebenarnya, alright. So there's certain plant saya sangat amazed, certain plant dia memang survive. Tak kisah snow banyak mana, sejuk mana pun dia boleh survive, right. So that's why certain plant before musim panas atau musim sejuk ni dia akan di-harvest. Contohnya dia ada canola, dia akan harvest canola, lavender, dia akan harvest lavender, so on the situation supaya they can harvest them early on. So dia memang tak boleh nak survive. But certain plant, they just left it there for them to collect it later. Alright, dia boleh survive. Especially yang bulky punya plant lah. Dia ada thick cell wall ataupun thick stem. Dia boleh dia boleh withstand the water flowing from the roots to the top, dia boleh survive. Alright, tapi dia dah reducekan photosynthesis lah. Maknanya daun-daun semua dah gugur. Alright, so dia akan reduce the photosynthesis punya activities. Alright, so the most affecting of the plant is for the freezing punya condition. Alright, so most of the intracellular akan damage lah. So it's hard for them to survive sebenarnya. Alright, awak boleh baca by their own. Alright, the mechanism is here as well. But about salinity, I give it to you guys untuk study generally about them. But in general, sebenarnya plant respond to stress dia adalah ni, alright, damage in the biomembrane yang kita tak nak, right, disorder of metabolism, right, normally dia normal metabolism tapi dia bertukar due to the stress punya environment. Functional proteins denaturation, right, contohnya protein asal dah denatured tak sesuai dengan condition ni, and stress protein link synthesis, which mean they try to adapt with the condition. Osmotic mati kita bincang tadi lah, right, due to the high salinity, changes of the water flows and so on, this due to this, right, and changes in the plant hormones sebenarnya. Kalau perasan, cytokinin, auxin being reduced, abscisic acid dan jasmonic acid being increased as well. So this is where dan sebenarnya respond to stress ni adalah benda-benda ni. Nah, in general kalau perasan. Alright, so this is tak kisahlah stress mana, but this one will always be there untuk plant. Alright, so kita kena faham the concept what happened. Right, macam kita recap balik lah. Normally any stress yang ada, alright, any stress yang ada, dia akan go for this one. Alright, dia akan always go for this one. Di mana stress apa yang ada, stress karakteristik, alright, how the plant punya karakteristik pula, and what is the response, susceptible ataupun resistance. That is where they can survive on that. Alright, so I guess that's all for today. Alright, so any questions regarding this topic before I can share some tips for the final? Sebaik saya ingat. Alright, any questions? Sorry, almost 1.5 hour. Minta maaf ya. Hello?
No question, Doctor.
Alright. So, if no question, tak apa. Don't worry. You try to recap back anything. Alright. So, Mas, nanti just let me know if any changes of the submission and etc. So, now can I give some tips for everyone? If everyone is okay with that?
Yes.
Okay, Doctor.
Boy, dia ni ada suara. Alright. So, sekejap ya. Let's stop presenting lah. Alright, so basically in general, saya bagi tips in general. Alright, there will be 2 parts of the exam. Alright, short answer questions dan essay questions. Essay questions might be around 2 questions, but most of them are short answer questions. Alright, so you guys have around 2 hours, right, to answer all the questions. The questions is being prepared by me and Dr. Fauzihan. Alright, so whatever topic from Dr. Fauzihan, they possibly being there in the final as well. Alright, so if not mistaken, it's about 50-50. Alright, so my question and Dr. Fauzihan question. So which means that since there are 2 essays, there will be 1 by me and 1 by Dr. Fauzihan as well. Alright, so the topics that will be highlight dekat sini, today's punya topic, stress punya response. Alright, so stress punya response is there. Last week punya topic as well, gene expression and regulation. Alright, so there will be there, kita ada 4 topik kan, betul tak? Alright, so another topic is that there's protection of the plants, which means that there is more on the secondary metabolites. Alright, so that one, and as well as the photosynthesis as well. Tapi I want you guys to focus more on the stress, alright, the gene expression as well, alright. That is the question might be a little bit tricky for you guys, alright. So please understand, alright, please understand. Jangan hafal, but I need you guys to understand, alright. Kalau faham, then it's easy for you, alright. So try to recap back what are the things that I always highlight. Tiba-tiba saya cakap ke, alright, tiba-tiba saya highlight, tiba-tiba saya recap ke, and so on. Alright, so please do so. Alright, so all of those things, yang tu adalah might be possible in the final exam as well. Right, for Dr. Fauzihan punya chapters, I leave it to him to give the tips for you guys. But for me, I can yet I can let you guys to prioritize for these two topics. And nak kata jangan abaikan topik lain pun ada juga. I mean photosynthesis, remember the photosynthesis on early class, and as well as the secondary metabolites, alright, the secondary metabolites topic as well, alright. So nak kata prioritize tu tak, tapi please remember what I highlight lah, right? The diagrams ke, the process flow ke. Saya memang type of diagram punya orang lah, alright. Dia memang minta awak kena lukis diagram and etc. Alright. So that's why kenapa saya minta diagram is for me is that you guys understand. Bila awak understand, then you can make the diagram. Kalau hafal memang a little bit tough to make some certain diagrams. Alright. So that is the tip from me. Alright. So any questions regarding the submission, please do let me know. Enough ke tips tu for everyone? Hello? Cukup Alright. So see you guys again on 7th of February. Alright. That is where our examination is. Alright. 7th February pagi if not mistaken. Alright. So all the best. If anything, Mas, I am here. Everyone pun as well, I am here. I will assist you guys. Alright. InsyaAllah. Don't worry about that. Alright. I'm so sorry our last session jadi lama. Alright. I'm looking forward to teach you guys again next semester. I believe we will be there with you guys with the genetics punya topic later on, insyaAllah. Alright, so any questions, please do. My WhatsApp is always open. Alright, so anything, do let me know lah. I think just now ada seorang contact. Syuhada ke? It's okay. Anything, just let me know lah. Alright, so let's end the session with tasbih kafaran sunnah. Ya saya. Saya record ke last week? Saya record. Hari ni tak ada remind saya untuk record hari ni. Allahuakbar. Alright, no worries. Sorry. Mas, tak remind saya, Mas.
Saya pun tak ingat tu.
Allahuakbar.